Our team has sold hundreds of new construction homes across Philadelphia, and I work directly with developers on everything from design to floor plans, market analysis, and pricing. And I've seen what works and I've seen what kills momentum and cuts into profits. So if you're building in Philly, this is the playbook that you need to sell smarter and faster. My name is Marco Di Gabrielle. I'm a real estate agent, investor, and developer here in Philadelphia, and my goal is to give you everything you need to profitably build, buy, or invest in real estate in this city. So if you're a developer or investor looking to source land, analyze deals, or sell your next project, shoot me an email or drop a comment below, and definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So the first tip that I want to give you to really maximize your out sale is you need to design the home with the end buyer in mind. So this starts earlier in the process than just when you're done the project. You have to really think about these things early on. So your layouts, your finishes, whether they fit with the neighborhood, the price point that you're hitting, the buyer expectations, these are all things that you really need to think about when you're designing a product. One thing that people do a lot of times is they either overdevelop or they underdevelop a property. So if you're overdeveloping a property, you're putting too high-end finishes in for what the price point is likely to be, or you're overbuilding it and making it way too big of a property for what you're typically gonna find that people want in that neighborhood. If you're underbuilding a property, it's the opposite. So you're just not putting in the level of finishes that people are gonna expect, or maybe you have a layout that isn't functional enough for a family to live in, and a lot of the buyers looking in that area are gonna be families. So really the best key to making sure that you're designing a project that is actually gonna sell for the highest and best use is talking to an agent who sells a lot of new construction, who can tell you who is actually likely to buy this home and what is the best product to build there. What kind of finishes are those buyers looking for? What kind of features are they looking for in the home? One thing that we've seen recently, just as an example, is people really wanting that extra space for an office in the home, because ever since COVID, a lot of people work remotely. So we're starting to build those extra spaces when we can into our product to try and help sell the product when all is said and done. So designing a thoughtful product with the buyer in mind is really the first key to maximizing your out sale.